Alright, welcome to tutorial number 2. We'll do some more basics, some things I missed in tutorial 1, but we'll focus on constraints. So that'll be step 2 in the sketching section. So one thing I forgot to mention that is perhaps very useful is selecting and deleting drawings. So if you click and drag, you make these selection boxes. If you go, this quadrant is different than this quadrant visually, but it also selects differently. So if you select down and to the right, anything that is completely contained will be selected. So the circle now will be completely contained, and it is the only thing that is selected. If you want to delete drawings, hit the delete key, or you could also select them just by clicking them. Now the other selection is anything that touches the selection box will be selected. So I hope you see the difference there. This one has to completely cover it for it to be selected, and the other method, if it's just touching it, it will be selected. So let's just clear the canvas from last time. Now let's move on to constraints. Okay, so you're drawing a circle, so we click and draw, but we don't really know what size this circle is, and we want it to be a specific size, so we escape from the circle command. So now we have a circle, and we're going to constrain it. So one easy way to do that would be click General Dimension, so D, click Dimension, then we click the circle, and it will give us a diameter. So now we have diameter, and it's 1.266. We don't want 1.266. We want a diameter of 2 inches. So if we click that, we get a dimension box up here. It says Edit Dimension. So let's say 2. Now it constrains it to a dimension of 2. Also, if you want to zoom extents really quickly, one tool I use often is double-click the mouse wheel. That'll zoom extents. So now we have constrained this to 2. So exit the dimension feature. Another example is do a rectangle. We want this rectangle to be 2 by 10, or 2 by 1, let's say. So dimension, click the side. It's 0.71, so 2, and we want the other side to be 1. I don't know why it's opening on the other window. Anyways, 1. Also, we want this corner to line up with the circle directly, or better yet, we want this to be tangent with the circle. So we've got constraints up here. We've got, what do we got? Coincident, collinear, concentric, just fixed, vertical constraints, tons of different constraints, but we want tangential. So we want this to be tangential with that, and there you have it. Basically, you just play around adding constraints to your drawing until it is completely how you like it. Let's say we want this to be up there, but these to remain tangential. So let's create this dimension, and we'll say we want it 0.1. So there you have it. If this is what I wanted, it's very easy to create. So I'll go over some basic examples that sort of use these features somewhat more clearly than what I've done here in the next tutorial. So subscribe and tune back in. See ya.